Good evening, folks. I think I'm all caught up. This is our last one, I believe, at 8:07. And we are battling for Troy's Jedi carded Nunb. Clear bubble, too, which is exceptionally difficult to find on those Jedi cards, as I'm sure you guys know. We got 140 spots, I think. My memory is shot. I can't even remember since we got to the bottom of the list. 140 lines. There we go. 140 lines. Let me paste these Johns over here. We got 140 of them, which is swell. That means we can battle. There they are. 1 through 140. Gonna roll them. Got to get a 5 or better. We got an 8. We're golden. Good luck. Here we go. Michael takes round 1 with number 16. CJ 2. Michael takes 3. Andrew in the top spot for round 4 with 128. Michael. Runzendorf takes round 5 with number 4. Donnie takes round 6. Mr. Penland takes the next to last round, round 7, with the mark of the beast. Well, 2/3 of it, 66. Bringing us to the final round. There it is. I enjoy that. It's nice. Here we go. Final round. Down to business. And our winner is Michael Brunzendorf in at number 91. The 90s. Interesting. Don't see them often. At least when I pick them. Verification. Make it official. LDMEAC. Michael's our winner in at number 91. There's the rest of them. For those of you who are interested parties. I am done at 8:09. There it is. Here's our verification one last time. Michael in at number 91 is the champ. See you next time, guys. Thanks.